Tutorial for these bracelets. Let's start with number 1. You will need thread. I use 0.8 millimeters. Some beach-inspired beads like turtles and shells. Round gold beads. These are for millimeters. Start by cutting around 45 centimeters of thread. Make a knot around here, not in the middle of the thread. Like this. Now that you have a knot, we can add the beads. I added them in this order, but you can add them however you want. Now that we have all the beads on the thread, it's time to make another knot. Now cut another 15 centimeters piece of thread. Wrap it around the 2 threads of the bracelet and make a knot. Make a loop on the right side and with the thread from the left side pass through the loop from below. Sorry if I'm being slow, I left this part uncut so you guys can see all the process. Now repeat but switch sides. Continue until you have your desired length. Now we cut the excess and burn the end to secure it. Now we need to make 2 more knots. Now the final step is to add a gold bead, make a knot and burn the remaining thread to secure the bracelet. Now we have an adjustable bracelet. Now let's start the tutorial for bracelet number 3. You'll need elastic thread. I used 8 millimeters beads, bead caps, and a charm. Start by cutting around 40 centimeters of elastic. Stretch it first. Start adding the beads. First add a bead cap, then the bead and another bead cap. Repeat the same process with the other beads. When you have 5 or 6 beads, add your charm. Keep adding beads until you reach your desired length. Now make a simple knot. Make a double knot. If you want to be extra secure, add another simple knot. Cut the excess, but not too close to the knot. And it's all done. For bracelet 8, we will need thread, a star bead, and for millimeters, crystal beads, 3 millimeters silver beads. Start by cutting around 45 centimeters of thread and make a knot around there. This is the order I put the beads in. Make another knot. Now put the bracelet together like this and cut 15 centimeters of thread. Make a knot. Make a loop on the right side and with the thread from the left side pass through the loop from below. Now repeat on the other side. Continue until you have your desired length. Cut the excess and burn it to secure the thread. Now make 1 knot. Make another one. Add 1 bead for each thread and make a knot. Cut the excess. Burn it to secure the bracelet. And it's all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!